Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your go-to partner for legal drafting, tax compliance, and business documentation. Today's topic, lease agreements, and why having one that's legally strong is non-negotiable. What is a lease agreement? A lease agreement is a legally binding contract between a landlord and a tenant. It outlines rent and security deposit details, property usage rights, responsibilities of both parties, duration, and termination terms. This document acts as your first line of defense in case of disputes, whether you're a landlord, tenant, or business owner. Types of lease agreements. We handle at Filings Corner residential lease for renting homes or apartments. Commercial lease for offices, shops, warehouses, leave and license agreement, a flexible short-term option. Sublease agreement, when tenants sublet to others, documents needed for drafting a lease agreement, identity and address proof, Aadhaar, PAN, passport, utility bills, property ownership documents, title deed, tax receipts, rent and deposit records, payment proof and prior agreements. Structural layout, photos, especially for commercial spaces. When should you amend a lease agreement? A lot can change during a lease period. You may need amendments for rent hike clauses or escalation terms, lease renewals or extension agreements, security deposit adjustments, early termination or exit terms, force majeure, for unforeseen events like lockdowns, subletting rights or maintenance responsibilities. Lease agreement, templates and legal forms at Filings Corner, drafted residential or commercial lease agreements, leave and license formats, security deposit refund, clauses lease, amendment and renewal forms, early exit and termination agreements. Why choose Filings Corner? Drafted by CAs, CSs, lawyers, and MBAs, total legal compliance. Fully customized. Lease agreements tailored to your needs, hassle-free and fast processing. From drafting to registration, affordable, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, 100% risk-free. Legal backing for every document. Secure your lease agreement the right way. Don't leave your property or business vulnerable to disputes or confusion. Let Filings Corner draft, review, or register your lease agreement with legal precision. Visit www.filingscorner.com or call us today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more legal and business tips. Filings Corner, simplifying business, one compliance at a time.